We are NCC and welcome to our educational vlog.
Today, we are visiting Plaza Mayor de Ciudad de Balanga, commonly known as Plaza Balanga, located in the heart of Balanga City, Bataan. This historic plaza has been an important part of the community for more than 250 years and served as symbol of the city with cultural and historical heritage.
During Spanish colonial period, the plaza became the center of government, religion, education, and social activities. Surrounding the plaza are important landmarks, as the Balanga Cathedral and government buildings, which reflect traditional Spanish town layout.
Today, Balanga is more than just a historical site. It is a place where people gather for community events, celebrations, recreation, and learning. The plaza also highlights Balanga City's commitment to education, earning the city recognition as one of the country's leading centers for learning and development.
Join us to explore the history, significance, and unique features of Plaza.
Balanga and discover why it remains one of the most treasured landmarks.
Let's get started.
Plaza Mayor de Ciudad de Balanga, or simply Plaza Balanga, is just a park. It's a living classroom that holds over 250 years of Bataan. Built around 1769 during the Spanish colonial era, this place follows the classic Plaza Mayor design, church, government hall, and public space all the center. Back then was where everything happened. Messes, town meetings, fiestas, and even early lesson for the youth.
Balanga became Bataan capital in 1757. So this plaza was the soul of the province. It stood to wars, fires, and built proof of Bataan's spirit.
Right beside the Plaza Balanga stands the structure Balanga Cathedral, formerly Joseph Shrine Cathedral, Parish of St. Joseph. It's not just a place of worship, it's a very foundation of education and community life in Bataan. Let's uncover its history. Balanga started as the Vista under Abuman. It became independent parish in 1733, formally founded in 1793 by Dominican missionaries. Was shaped by Father Benito Rivas. In 1869 to 1870, he had the center of love, giving classic working to London with a national historical artist place in